Hey guys, Mike here at Russ Darrow Mitsubishi. Just want to say one really big thank you to service. If it wasn't for service, we wouldn't be able to get all of our vehicles safety inspected and make sure that they're safe to keep, everything like that. This right here is our service center at Russ Darrow Mitsubishi. We do have 2 drive-in bays that you can drive through. As soon as you drive in, you'll meet with the service writers here on this side. They'll go ahead and take care of you. And then from there, you can go to the waiting area. You can get picked up, possibly even shuttled home. But this is just one big thank you to all the service for all the hard work that they do. And I mean, they get our cars safety inspected. All the new cars, they have to inspect them as well, make sure nothing's wrong with them, anything like that. And yeah, we have one of the best used car centers and mechanics in the area. So if you guys ever need any work on any vehicle, it doesn't have to be Mitsubishi, we'd be happy to help you out. Just give us a call here at 262-506-3150. And again, one big thank you to service for all the hard work that they do. Thank you guys.